All right, we are in Lima, Peru, but I'm so excited to be here because Lima is a gastronomic center point for South America and for Peru itself. So we are gonna go on our own self-guided street food tour. I guess not street food, but any food tour. And first stop, we are in Barranco neighborhood, and we are gonna go to a chifa. So let's go. So, chafa, 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 chafa. All the chafa. I don't know which one we're gonna try, but let's go share a plate to start off our tour. So I ordered the chafa con pollo, just an original, easy fried rice to try, and it was 11 sol. So I think it's gonna be around like $3.50. And then they give you a soup with it, got wonton soup. So from what I understand, the soup came with the chafa. The chafa's only $3, and that's a big bowl of wonton soup. That is really good. Here's our chafa con pollo, so chicken fried rice, Peruvian style, and that was $3. And it smells delicious. Without any sauces, I'm gonna try the chafa with a little chicken. Just simple, flavorful chicken fried rice with a little green onion. And now I'm gonna try it with ají. Ají is a creamy lime juice chili sauce. Put a little bit of that on there. And you can just taste the lime, and then the kick of the chili comes in. Wow, that's a nice, just very spicy kick to it. You don't need very much, and then just a little bit of lime juice to it. Let's eat this one. So that was a great first start. I paid the bill, and it was exactly $3 for the chafa con pollo and the wonton soup, and we couldn't even finish it all. So if you're a budget traveler, check out a chifa. Let's go to the next stop. All right, now we're at Mercado Sequillo. There's two different ones. I think we're at number 1, but we're gonna go explore it. From what I understand, there's a lot of fruit, but a lot of fresh fish, where I think we can get fresh ceviche. And if you're wondering, ceviche is not only a staple in Peru, but it's where it originated all the way back to the Inca times. So let's go try some. All right, got an Inca Cola. And I saw this on another YouTube video, so I had to try it. Oh, that is so sweet, but almost tastes flat at the same time. That's very interesting.
Perfecto.
Ajos, pimienta, limón, sal, cilantro.
Muchas gracias. Alright, we got it where it all started, Peru. So they marinate the fish in what they call leche de tigre, which means tiger's milk. It looks delicious, so this is my first go. And in it goes. The fish is so fresh.
Yeah, you win now.
You just taste the lime juice and the kick of chilies in it. It's delicious. This is a must-have in Peru. Alright, so that ceviche was incredible. Thank you, El Rinconcito de Alex. Gracias, Alex. Ceviche, muy rico. You'll hopefully be back, but if we're not, I'll always remember it. So, on to the next. Alright, so we're in Plaza de Armas. I think I'm saying that right. But the next stop, I have to get a pan de chicharrón or fried pork sandwich. Even though I'm still full from chafa, the ceviche was delicious. This food train doesn't stop. So let's go get us a fried pork sandwich. Alright, so I got the traditional drink. It's called chicha, and it's made out of purple corn. I don't know if it has added sugar to it or what, but I've seen it all over the place, so I had to get it with my pork sandwich. It kind of tastes like a tart Kool-Aid, like a purple Kool-Aid in a way. But it's not too sweet. I was expecting it to be sweeter. It's actually really good. Look at this madness. The chicharron sandwich, and they put a sweet potato on the bottom. It's like a hard ciabatta bread. But I gotta top this baby first. Then we'll take our ají. That's ridiculous. The pork is so soft and so flavorful, but the sweet potato almost reminds me of having cheese on it, but with the sweetness. That's so good. Well, that was everything I expected it to be. It was so good. So if you get a chance, come to El Chinito. Not only do they have delicious pork sandwiches, but I guess they're also known for their ribs. And the people next to us were having it and they were falling off the bone. So if I get a chance next time, that's what I'm having.
Right next to the Plaza de Armas, there's a cute little bar restaurant right here on the corner. So we stopped in because we were gonna try the traditional cocktail of Pisco Sour. Now Pisco is a type of liquor that is made here in Peru. Okay, so we just got our Pisco Sours. It did take quite a while, but that's okay, because I think it's gonna be worth it. Let's give it a try. Oh, now this is our first time ever trying Pisco. It kind of tastes like tequila. That's really good, but it's kind of like a creamy tequila, kind of. It's interesting. It's good though. Cheers.
Now we're at El Pacifico outside of Plaza de Armas, having a nice Pilsen brew. But the next stop for our food tour is Causa. I think I'm pronouncing it right. It's Causa. It's a potato casserole, and you can get it with chicken, shrimp, squid. Well, we got it with chicken. And I know it's a traditional Peruvian dish, and it's next on our list until I eat the finale. So, stay tuned. So it's a potato layer with chicken and vegetables on the inside and a plantain. That is the most interesting thing I've ever had. It's like, it's good, don't get me wrong, but it's so confusing at the same time. Because it's cold mashed potatoes, and then I got the chicken, and then just a punch of mayonnaise in it. I gotta take it out, I'm so confused right now. I kinda feel like it should be heated up, like it's a leftover mashed potato pie, but it's like good at the same time. I can't tell. Maddie, will you try? Give me the camera.
So it's a lot softer than I thought. I thought it was gonna be a little bit tougher to get the spoon through it. It looked like it was firm, but it's not. It's pretty soft.
It's everything I said it was, wasn't it? It's so confusing.
So I'm not a potato person. The only potatoes I really like are like French fries or like Lay's potato chips. So potatoes aren't my thing. Mashed potatoes, not really. But I actually really like this. I don't think it tastes like a lot of mayonnaise. Let me try another bite. I'm down with it.
Really?
Yeah, I'm here for it. I was laughing so hard because I was giggling so much when Pat was describing it that like I was afraid to try it, but like, Causa? I'm here for you. I'm digging it.
So anticuchos is definitely a thing you have to get. It's cow heart on a skewer, and it's grilled, sauced up, and it's supposed to be delicious. And I know cow heart is like one of the most tender and flavorful meat you can get, so I'm here for it. So let's try it. Let's try the famous anticucho. That's the softest meat and so flavorful. She's just constantly saucing it up and marinating it. Those are delicious. Alright, it's been a very long day. It's 10 o'clock. We've been at it for about 9 hours. It's a madhouse. I got a motorcycle in the background. Family's yelling around me. TV's blaring. But finally we're at our last dish for the night, and it's dessert. Picarones. I think I'm pronouncing it right. It's like a donut, but it's a deep fried sweet potato. Let's try it. That's right. But it's soft like a donut, or it's like a funnel cake at the carnival. Food tour is completed. I am indefinitely in a food coma, and I am going to bed. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next food coma video. Goodbye.